In the currency quadrant, the Euro FX futures broke 108 for the second consecutive session. The low today, 107.99, which matched yesterday's low of 107.99, was down 1.85%. When we looked at the way it happened yesterday, it rallied back to finish positive by almost 0.3%. But today we had a different outcome as the euro rallied first to 109.17, which was up a little bit less than 0.25%, and then closed near the lows today, almost at the low, slightly above 108. On a weekly basis, the euro is now down 4 of the last 5 weeks. EU inflation is part of the reason we saw some strength yesterday. EU core inflation year over year was slightly stronger than expected, but the rest of the data was as expected, so it only really had that to go off of. The most interesting part was the month over month headline rate, which came in at down 0.4%. That's a deflationary print, but again, there was no real expectations for that. It was much lower than the previous month, and that year over year headline core really kind of took the news headlines and took the euro higher. The core year over year helped the euro rally, which reversed today into a negative move, kind of reversed almost the entire move from yesterday, actually most of the entire move. And then US data today caused yields to shoot up. After the payrolls data strengthened the dollar in the aggregate, which had its strongest one-day move on a percentage basis since February 3rd of 2023. And then you look at the yields, we had double-digit increases in the 2-year, the 5-year, the 10-year, and the 30-year. And that 2s, 10s inversion going completely in the wrong direction, negative 35, as we get into the New York close of the currency markets today. So higher yields, a stronger dollar, a weaker euro, all contributed to the euro finishing on the lows today.